Well, it's kind of cool. First time out on our rig, and we're at Lake Casitas. And now I'm gonna hit these levelers. I don't know anything, so this is all new for me, the motorhome. Of course, we've done the trailers, so I'll keep you posted on how it all goes. I think so nice to see that water flowing into Lake Casitas. We need it so badly. Praise the Lord. Fry veggie mixture stuff. So looking forward to more camping fun. Take care. So we're up here with Journey Church, our church family, and we just had a feast. Oh my gosh, tri-tip ribs, beans of a different couple kinds, salad, macaroni salad. Of course, this is just the end of it. Still leftovers. I'm telling you, what a great deal. Nothing better. Fire going on. Telling you. Well, it's Mother's Day, and unfortunately Carol had to go home. So it's just me and Cooper. And here he is, Cooper. And he's checking out those geese, thinking he would love. McKinley!
She's doing it.
She's been doing that last.
Get your butts outdoors. Life is short.